Options bulls seeing some unusual activity in Yelp. Stock's trading up nearly 4% today. Not everything is down. It is down 3.5% for the year, though. Pete's at the telestrator to give us an update on what he sees.
Yeah, this is a stock, Scott, that's just not performing. You're exactly right. Let me clear this, unfortunately. Somebody had a little writing on there. Stock was trading right about here when we started seeing some of this call buying in here, and they were coming after March, Scott. So getting a little bit of time, not a lot of time, but getting a little bit of time in March. This isn't like they expire Friday. You got a little bit of time. So you're looking at the March 36 calls. So they bought a nice chunk of these calls. You can see, I think initially it was about 10,000. Now you can see it's over 12,000 of these calls. They're trading for about 65 cents. They were also buying March 35 calls, but that was in a little bit smaller size. But I like this trade, so I'll be in this trade for a couple of weeks. I like it. Maybe there's a little bit more upside here. Maybe we get a spike, a little bit better performance. And maybe we see that happening, and that's the options it's certainly trying to indicate right now. Next one, I got a really good one for you, though. GLD. Now, we used to talk about this one on that big run-up that we had. We're starting to see a more consistent run as it's going to these 7-year highs in terms of gold. You can see a little bit of pullback, but in that pullback, they're buying these April 164 calls. So about $10 out of the money is where they're buying these. They're trading about $1.25, actually selling the 70 strike call against that. But these are going for about $1.25. That way they're trying to risk manage themselves. I like this. They bought initially about 5,000. It looks like that's still the number. I like this one a lot. I'm going to be in this one for a little bit longer because they're April, but it gives me a little bit of time. I had just gotten out of GLD, and now I'm right back in.